I do get a lot of messages like this. It's not my favorite thing in the world to receive, and I mean, I've gotten it my whole life, but I love watching these videos, and I just thought, what the hey, I'm gonna make one. I think for me and my life, I eat healthy, and I feel like I should just mention really quickly, I do have 2 health things. I do think one of them, I'll just tell you. I have thyroid issues. We're not sure what, because my tests come back normal, but if I go like this, you can see a lump right here. It's just a thyroid nodule. I've had mine MRI'd, ultrasound, biopsied in the past 5 months, and everything came back that it's a goiter, which is something people get who don't eat enough iodine, which is confusing because I do have a lot of iodine in my diet. So my diet's going to reflect me eating stuff high in iodine, but I have a strong suspicion that I have hyperthyroidism. There's hypo and hyper. The other health thing I have, of course, is endometriosis. I've made a full video on this channel. I'll link in the description if you want to watch it. Pretty much eating from all food groups is a good thing to do. It's just not something that's recommended for me because it can cause flare-ups or my throat lump to grow. So yeah. Okay, rambling almost over. Before we hop into the video, I would like to take 1 minute to thank our sponsor today, who is Not Pot. It is a CBD gummy. CBD is something for me that I know might be a sensitive subject if you do not understand fully what CBD is. You kind of just think of marijuana, weed, all that jazz, which is of course not legal everywhere, but there are 2 components. There's THC and there's CBD. THC is what gets you high. CBD does not get you high. Not Pot is 100% legal. It is made from hemp. If you're like me and you deal with chronic pain, as much as I love modern medicine, it's just those prescriptions are not meant for long-term use. They're harsh on the body. And I was looking for other options, and CBD is just something I found that helps me if you have chronic pain, if you deal with anxiety, stress, trouble falling asleep, and you're tired of prescription medications, just CBD in general. Read up on it, check it out. They are a little strawberry flavored gummy bears, so they do have some sugar in it. That is, something to note. They are also gluten-free and vegan. I prefer to take it at night because it does kind of relax me, and I just don't prefer that feeling as I start my day. I'd rather end my day. I think any conversation we can have on the subject of CBD to help take the stigma away is something worth doing because it does have a lot of really great medicinal benefits. All right, well, I guess my camera told me we need to get on with the video because it died. So let's start with the what I eat in my day. I hate morning, but we're gonna start our day with some oranges. I think I'm gonna do 3 because they're really, really small. So like the size of your face, and oranges. So obviously this isn't like a breakfast. This is more of like what I'm just eating before a workout, because if I work out with nothing in my stomach, I feel just really weak. And if I work out with a full meal in my stomach, then I get like stomach cramps. So just like a little bit of fruit is what I do. Shout out to my like 5 eyelashes holding on. Wow, my voice is beautiful in the morning. Let me serenade you. Okay, I've never made one of these videos before, so I don't know if I'm supposed to like take you throughout my day, but yeah, I'm going to the gym. I walked to the gym with my water that exploded everywhere. And I guess I'll show you a little bit of what I do at the gym. And right when I come back from the gym, I get started on making some kind of protein smoothie. The base is always almond milk, but it varies. My favorite one is like a peanut butter banana, but I didn't have either of that, so I tried this one out. It was okay. Could've used more ice. And could've used a better banana, but it's okay. It's okay. But that smoothie is just to hold me over until I have more of like a real breakfast. Oh my god, tahini on watermelon, so bomb. And then I have some eggs and some bacon with some salsa. It is now 2:30, so I'm a little bit late. It took me a while I got some work done, showered, got ready. So many good options and substitutions for vegan food, but cream cheese, I don't know. So I'm eating cream cheese I'm doing, have I even said? I'm doing a bagel and lox. Obviously, if you do not like salmon or fish, this is not the meal for you, but if you've never heard of it and you like salmon, you gotta try this. It's dope. I already have my bagel toasted. I cannot do this with one hand. I'm gonna come back. And here we go. If you have like onions or microgreens or tomatoes, that would be good on this too, but I don't have any of that. And then a clip of me eating. I don't know, I filmed me eating all this food, but it just became like a weird, awkward mukbang. Driving. Embarrassing. What do I do? It's been a while.
Why are you going right?
I don't know, am I going left?
Yeah.
Really?
Right?
I don't know. Okay, we're gonna get mahi. No, we're not getting mahi. Sea bass.
Chilean sea bass.
All right, I'm not driving anymore because I suck at it. So I'm gonna eat. No, I don't. I don't know, I feel like I did pretty bad that time. That was my first time driving by cops, and I'm not ready to do that. But I'm going to snack on this, what's it called, Justin's, I think? Hazelnut and almond butter. It's straight from the tube. Oh my god, it's our Diddley Riot.
Alexa, next song.
Anytime I like a song. And voila, here is dinner. I'm sorry my plating and cinematography isn't the best, but it was really good, I promise you that. And then I made probably one of the saddest acai bowls ever. It was literally just a packet from Trader Joe's and some almond milk, but I was out of like any berries or granola. But if you go to Trader Joe's, these little banana, chocolate covered banana pieces, so good. The very last two things I put into my body, and this is just like what I found to help me with how endo affects me. One thing that it gives me is a bunch of UTIs. So I take a D-Manus pill. You can get powder too. I just get mine on Amazon. I used to get a UTI like every maybe like 2-3 months for like 7 years, and ever since I started taking those 6 months ago, granted I had surgery, I haven't had one, so I just take one every night. And then like I said in the beginning of the video, I end my night with one of the Not Pot gummies. I've been doing this, I think it's been like 2 weeks now, so it's still pretty fresh, but you can feel the effects. Did you hear that crack? Like the first time you take it. So they're just little gummy bears. And that wraps up everything. I'm gonna go chill and relax and wash this face. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye!